Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable or disable hardware graphics acceleration in Microsoft PowerPoint. In this walkthrough, we'll show you where to find the hardware graphics acceleration setting in PowerPoint and how to turn it on or off. This setting can be helpful if PowerPoint feels slow, looks glitchy, or has display issues during animations, transitions, or while editing slides. To begin, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can open an existing presentation or simply start with a blank one, since this setting is found in the Program Options and does not depend on the file you're working on. Once PowerPoint is open, move to the top left corner of the window and click File. This will take you away from the main editing view and open the PowerPoint Backstage menu, where you can access account settings, save options, and application preferences. From the File menu, look toward the bottom left side of the screen and click Options. This opens the PowerPoint Options window, which contains a wide range of settings that control how the application behaves. In the Options window, click Advanced. This section includes many detailed PowerPoint settings, so don't worry if it looks a little crowded at first. You'll just need to scroll until you find the display-related option we need. Now scroll down and look for the setting labeled Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. This option controls whether PowerPoint uses your computer's graphics hardware to help render visual elements more efficiently. When you find it, click the checkbox for Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. If you check the box, Hardware Graphics Acceleration will be disabled. If you want to enable Hardware Graphics Acceleration instead, make sure the box is unchecked. In other words, checked means disabled and unchecked means enabled. Take a moment to confirm the setting matches what you want before closing the window. If you're changing this setting to troubleshoot a problem, it can be useful to test PowerPoint afterward and see whether performance or display behavior improves. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to locate and adjust the hardware graphics acceleration setting in Microsoft PowerPoint. If needed, you can always return to the same advanced options area later and change it back.